So far, we've used git tag to generate a tag that refers to the current head commit, but we can also go back and tag earlier commits by using the commit hash. So if I do a git log one line on this React repo, let's take some earlier commit, really any earlier commit. I don't know, there's so many to choose from. Let's take one of them. How about right here, remove JSX plugin. If you're following along, just pick any commit, really. Actually, you know what? I regret this. I think something closer to the top will be easier to see. Okay, how about this one right here? Request to update email. So whatever on your git log, whatever you see, just go back a couple of commits, maybe 5, 10 commits earlier before any tags we've created, and copy one of those hashes. So right now we don't see a tag here, but I can add one if I do git tag and then a tag name and then the commit hash. And this can be lightweight or annotated. I use -a for annotated. To make it simple, I'll use lightweight. So git tag and then tag name. Let's just do something, I don't know, my tag, just to demonstrate. Right? It doesn't have to be a version number. And then I'll put the commit hash. And we don't really see much. If I do git tag, we'll see my tag in there. There it is. But also, if I do git log one line, or just git log, there it is. We tagged that earlier commit. That's really all I wanted to show you here.